Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wet dry vac filter is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining a clean and healthy workspace, as its performance directly impacts the efficiency of your vacuum and the air quality you breathe, making the right choice essential for tackling everything from sawdust to liquid spills without compromising suction or releasing harmful particles back into the environment. Number 5. Craftsman CMX CVBE 38754 Wet Dry Vac Filter. Enhance your Craftsman shop vacuum's performance with this genuine replacement filter. It's designed to fit most 5 to 20 gallon models made from 1988 onwards, ensuring broad compatibility. Say goodbye to complicated filter replacements. Thanks to its quick lock filter fastening system, installing this filter is quick and incredibly easy, getting you back to cleaning in no time. This filter is built for durability and value. Its material can be washed and reused multiple times, providing better filtering of debris and saving you money in the long run. Designed for general-purpose use, this replacement filter efficiently traps everyday dirt, dust, and debris. It ensures your wet-dry vacuum maintains its powerful suction for a cleaner environment. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace your shop vac filters regularly. Doing so helps keep your vacuum running like new, extending its lifespan and efficiency. Whether you're tackling messes at home or in the workshop, this versatile filter is perfect. It's an essential component for maintaining a clean and tidy space, no matter the task. What we like. This filter boasts an easy quick lock system for quick changes. If you value convenience and want to spend less time on maintenance, this is an excellent choice. Its washable design also makes it cost-effective for everyday home or shop cleanup. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 4. Netezza 17816 Replacement Filter for Craftsman Wet Dry Vacuums. Is your wet dry vacuum losing its efficiency? This replacement filter is designed to bring back its optimal performance. It's compatible with Craftsman 5-gallon and larger wet dry vacuums, including many specific models. This ensures a precise fit for your cleaning needs. We've selected premium materials to construct this filter, ensuring good quality and effective debris capture. It will help maintain a cleaner environment. Replacing your old filter is incredibly simple and can be done in minutes. You won't need any additional tools for the process. Each pack contains one red striped cartridge filter and a retainer nut. This provides everything necessary for a quick and secure replacement. What we like. This replacement filter is crafted from premium materials, ensuring good quality. If you're looking for a durable option that's also incredibly easy to install without extra tools, this one stands out. It's a straightforward solution for maintaining your 5-gallon and larger Craftsman vacs. What people say. No positive product details found in the provided reviews. No positive product details found in the provided reviews. Number 3. Craftsman CMX CVBE 38765 Foam Sleeve Wet Vac Filter. Introducing the Craftsman CMX CVBE 38765 Foam Sleeve, designed specifically for your wet dry vac. This essential replacement filter ensures your vacuum operates efficiently. This foam sleeve is engineered exclusively for wet pickup applications. It effectively handles liquids and wet debris, keeping your workspace clean and safe. It plays a crucial role in protecting your shop vacuum's motor. This sleeve prevents waterborne debris from entering the exhaust air during wet cleanups, extending its lifespan. The filter material is fully washable and reusable, offering excellent value. Simply clean it after use, but remember to monitor it for wear and replace if torn for optimal performance. For the best results, we recommend replacing it at least twice a year. Frequent use may require more frequent changes to keep your shop vacuum running like new. It works best when used in conjunction with other Craftsman filters, such as the CMX CVBE 38770 Cloth Filter Bag or CMX CVBE 38766 Dry Filters. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions. What we like. This foam sleeve is specifically designed for wet pickups, protecting your shop vac from waterborne debris. If your primary use involves liquid spills or wet cleanups, this specialized filter is essential. Its washable and reusable nature also adds to its practical value for frequent wet applications. What people say. Number 2. Craftsman 17816 Red Stripe Cartridge Filter 2-pack. Introducing the essential upgrade for your wet-dry vacuum. This 2-pack of red stripe cartridge filters is designed for superior cleaning performance. It's compatible with Craftsman 17816 and 9 to 17816 models. These filters also fit most 5-gallon and larger vacuums manufactured from 1988 onwards. While widely compatible, please note that some 16-gallon shop vacuums may not be suitable. Always double-check your vacuum's model number on the detail page before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Standing at 8.5 inches tall with a 6.75-inch diameter, these filters are crafted from high-efficiency paper. Their detachable top plastic cap makes installation and replacement incredibly simple. Experience excellent performance with its exquisite pleated design, creating an oversized surface area. This allows it to capture everyday dirt like pet dander and dryer lint, along with tougher debris. It's perfect for cleaning up concrete and drywall dust, fine ash, sawdust, wood chips, and leaf bits. This filter is your reliable partner for any job site debris. Each package includes 2 high-quality replacement filters, sealed for freshness, plus a bonus black brush. Get everything you need to keep your vacuum running efficiently. What we like. This option comes as a convenient 2-pack, offering great value for regular replacements. If you need a filter that excels at capturing everyday dry dirt like pet dander and sawdust, this is a strong contender. Its wide compatibility with many 5-gallon and larger vacs makes it a versatile choice for various dry cleanup tasks. What people say. Number 1. Craftsman 9 to 17816 Red Stripe Vacuum Filter. Introducing the essential replacement filter for your Craftsman wet-dry vacuum. This high-quality cartridge is designed for most 5-gallon and larger models, including those made since 1988 or 1992, depending on the gallon size. It's a perfect fit for Craftsman 17816 and 9 to 17816 vacuum cleaners. Always check your specific model in the description to ensure optimal compatibility. This premium pleated paper filter excels at picking up dry debris, ensuring better filtering. It works seamlessly with both threaded and non-threaded filter cage studs, keeping your home clean and comfortable. Crafted from high-quality washable materials, it offers exceptional durability for both wet and dry use. Its detachable top cap ensures a perfect fit for many vacuums, and replacing it every 3 months guarantees optimal performance. Each package includes 2 high-performance cartridge filters and 2 integrated caps. These durable replacements will keep your machine fresh and clean, ensuring long-lasting efficiency. We stand by the quality of these replacement filters, offering a full money-back guarantee for any issues. If you encounter any problems, simply contact us for prompt assistance within 24 hours. What we like. This filter offers versatile wet and dry use, making it a flexible choice for diverse cleaning needs. If you require a single filter solution for both liquid spills and fine dry debris, its high-quality washable materials are ideal. The 2-pack ensures you always have a spare, providing continuous high performance. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.